FRM network. Warning for all FRM coin, my brother, because this time you can see here, this time they completely fails down, and FRM is completely fails down from last 24 hours. Not just unique FRM, my friends, fails down. Just in only you can see here all crypto market is fails down. So what's the main reason, my friends, today fails down very fastly? The main big reasons, the what on what's next in upcoming time, what's the prediction, what's the opinion, everything, my friend, I discuss you in this video. So kindly you just stay here, don't skip any second of this video, because you understand better if you cannot skip this video. So kindly holders, I request you to please before I start this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest videos notification. Thank you so much everyone. My brother, if you can see here, this time the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. It is the latest update. You can see here plus 0.25% they move upward, and the price is, you can see here, 0.346429 USD dollar. What a big price, my friend. This is very big good. All right, so all holders, be focused what I talk to you in this current time. My brother, if you can see here, after a very long time FRM is fails now. So this is the one big main reason, and the reason is that, my friends, to all crypto market is a fails down. Yeah, so therefore FRM is also fails down. But don't see, my brother, this short fails, because you can see here FRM is the terrible condition also, my friend, and this current time they also, my friends, change occur and be positive. So it's mean to FRM is one of the fastest coin, and I hope in upcoming times they move off like a rocket. All right, so let's see, my friends, the last 1 hour update. So what's going on? This is the last 1 hour update. Let's check out, my friends, the last 24 hour chart to what's going on, and we predicate also in this current time. So you can see, my friend, this time you can see here they completely move in a same direction, but after this you can see here they falls down. So it's a very terrible condition, my friend, and this one big reason, my friend, and that's true, especially the short time investor who invest for a short time, especially short time investor, they starting selling, so therefore they fails down more than the average. They cross the resistance line. So you can see, my friend, after this short, after this big fails, they also take a very good jump, and they go in the again in this same condition, my brother. So it's mean to upcoming times, if they starting moving upward, that definitely, my friends, the price will be increasing now to half USD dollar. I hope, my friends, the target is half USD dollar, and I hope they will do it easily. So kindly FRM holder, don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. And remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all videos notification.